In this video, I'll be teaching you how you can make money online without any skill. Yes, you don't need any special skill, just some few clicks, and before you know, the money will be rolling into your account. Don't mind this account. This is just a demo account I'm showing you guys. You are going to be learning what it is really needed because there are a lot of videos here on this internet space that tells you how you can make money on this internet space without any skill. But the bitter truth there is how realistic are these? Let's get to see it in detail. When I come to this particular screenshot I'm showing you now, you get to see that there is another thing I want to ask you to do for me. This person is actually asking that you want to be sending money out of Africa or to pay for a Visa card or PayPal. That is someone that has PayPal card or Visa that you can be sending money to monthly so that the person will be paying for his licenses of things and softwares. You can see this is a very good business opportunity. We'll call it the arbitrage business. So in this case, this person will send money then to you, then you do the payment for him by using your own PayPal or other payment processor, where at the end of the day the person gives you a little commission for the processes or for helping him solve that particular problem. So you can see this is a very big problem for a lot of people on this internet space. But why most of you are busy struggling with how to get clients, you begin to wonder how some of us are doing these things and how we are succeeding. Yes, the interesting thing you need to know there is anytime somebody tells you you can make money on this internet space without a skill, let me tell you, you are just wasting your time. It doesn't work. You need a skill. Stop being lazy. The internet space is not for lazy people. So you need a particular skill. Even as ordinary as content creators that they keep deceiving you that you can just create an account and make money on Facebook. Let me tell you, you need a skill. You need to have a proper training on every single thing you are going into. If not, just forget it. You are going to be wasting your time. When you can actually see this screenshot, you can see this person's country code is not even in the same country with me, but you can actually see it. So these are the realities. Let me give you one thing secret about this thing that I'm telling you. When I talk about you need a skill, the bitter truth there is it goes beyond putting out a very beautiful picture on your profile and telling people that you are an expert video editor, you are an expert this, you are an expert that, you are a computer science graduate, you are writing all sort of nonsense resume. See, it doesn't work. People have a higher chance of trusting people they see do things. So that is how this internet space is. Yes, this person is possible to contact me because he saw me do it in real life. He saw me, he's watched videos of me doing it. That is why he can confidently confide on me and contact me for it. We have even gone on a video call for me to explain the processes for him. I want to help him to see how he can also build a brand in that particular area. So that is the bitter truth about this internet space. So stop wasting your time thinking you can make money on this internet space without a skill. Marketing is not easy. If it is easy, Coca-Cola will not be doing advert even as I did. There are a lot of big brands that will not be doing advert even as I did. I have come across a channel that has millions of followers on WhatsApp channel, but let me tell you, they are still running adverts till today. So that is the bitter truth you need to be aware of. Marketing is a whole lot of work. It goes beyond just writing on your profile that I'm a digital marketer. It's not for you. Go and remove that thing. You are embarrassing yourself. So people prefer to trust people who they see. Just the case that if you are going on the road and your car breaks down, if somebody just come on a nice clean suit with tie on the neck and show you his result that he's a mechanical engineering graduate or a certified mechanic, then he showed you his ID card, will you trust him? I think you might give him a small percentage of trust, but there is a 99% chance that if you just turn your face around and you see a small boy who is at a mechanic workshop fixing a car, you will trust that particular small boy than even this person that is standing before you with that big certificate and that beautiful dressing. So that is the bitter truth. So that is how this internet space is designed. When you show people your capability, you learn a skill, you keep posting about it, people have a higher chance of trusting you and working with you than just writing some nonsense resume and be disturbing people's peace all over the place with it. So I believe you learned something in this particular video. Keep it. That is why I'm actually doing in this particular channel and these social media platforms, my handle, so that you can learn and build yourself. Yes, it's better to invest quality time, and even if it will cost you money, learning the right things than wasting your time learning things for free or learning things that will not even help you in the name of you are looking for free money. The internet space is not a cheap business model. Let me tell you the truth. Get something doing so that you can get money offline while you get to build your presence on this internet space. That is the best secret I will ever tell you. I have my first YouTube channel. It took me over lot of money to build it to that level. So if you are serious about it, you need to use your head and follow everything I'm doing here. See you in my next video once again.